ladies and gentlemen. Okay, all right, so this, we have this open, right? Nice here. And we know it's going to 33, right? So when I told you right here at 38, okay, so that's 34, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So when I told you right here, I told you that the price is gonna take. When I told you that the price is going to 33, when the price was 38, that's 6 points, right? When I said it. All right. So good. So the main play is then sure that break when I told you right at the open, right? When I told you, okay, it'll continue going. It'll break 37. You know, this little low right here. That's this. It's gonna take it, and it'll continue to 33, right? All right. So it just went to 33 and change. Okay. All right. We've known 33 to be the low of this wave. 48 is the high, and 33 is the low. And this is price goes to 33 half, right? And it just cannot take it on the first leg, right? It cannot take it. But we believe it will, right? So the main play is short. So we are short right here from the break of that 37, riding it to 33. We know there's going to be some support there. And our job is to ride this bearish position that we believe is the main play all the way to 41.20. All right. We know that taking 33 is not going to be easy. We've known it for half an hour already. But that's what we remember. We trade what we think here. We have a prediction addiction. All right. Is it guaranteed that the price is going to take 33? Nope. Of course not, right? 33 is support. Okay. 33 is support. Look, mistake. 33 back to 37, right? All righty then. Now the gold digger bolt. Okay. Yeah, that's right. All righty. So the main play, ladies and gentlemen, is short the break. This break right here, 37, 38. Price goes all the way to 33 half. We've known it for half an hour already that 33 is support. It's the low of the wave. So this bounce it's not getting us by surprise. Right? We knew that the odds were that the price was going to bounce off of 33. It's the low of a snake wave. And that's what the price does on a snake wave. It bounces off support and it recoils off of resistance. All right, so we know that. We've known it for half an hour already. Price goes to 33, 33 half. Professional traders, those of us who know the importance of 33, jump the gun a couple of ticks and say, you know what, this is not gonna, in case it doesn't go to 33, I'm gonna go long right here, right? Because they know they're expecting a bounce off of 33. So are we, all right? We just happen to believe that so far that is 33, the level that is gonna be taken. The price is gonna take 33 before it takes 48. That's what we believe. Alrighty, and when it takes 33, we are expecting a continuation all the way to 20. Alrighty, so main play short here, 38, right? Okay, price goes all the way down. It gives us 6 points. Those of you who are fast enough to take that shot when I told you exactly what to do, right? You know that this is the main play. If you want to be in a trade that is in alignment with the overall market direction, which is slightly bearish, right? Like I told you a long time ago, and you want to be in a trade short term, right? The wave, short term, that is in alignment with the main play, you want to be short. Okay, how long? Well, of course we're gonna have chop right here, 33, 41, right? 33, 41. Oh, please, 43, 41, right? 43. Okay, here it is. That's it. Okay, 33, 43. All right, 10 points. It's gonna be 10-point chop on a day like today. FOMC minutes, and these people talking about the debt ceiling, thing, and 10 points that chop, right? All right, clean break of 43. Right, clean break of 43. So we're gonna watch every single one of these little. Okay, we're gonna watch every little one of these pivot highs. This is a pivot high. This is a pivot high. This is a pivot. None of these are swing highs. All right. If they were, then we press the chips on our short position because a swing high is a lot stronger for the price to take. This is not a swing high. This is not a swing high. Okay. So we still play with our position size, small, no Lamborghini so far, and we're gonna be watching every single. We want to see how vicious this smart money is gonna be, all right, and we'll see if they take 39, if they take 41, if they take 43, right? Okay, so so of a clean break of 43, we know the price is going to go to the high of the wave that we are currently on, which is 48. All right, so 10-point shop, patience. Let's see. The market is dynamic, right? It's changing all the time. Our job is to change with it. All right. Now we have a plan. We know exactly every single structure, strengths of all the supports, resistance, channels, right? We have a plan, and we're trading what we think, what we believe, right? All right. Okay. We can change hats any second. So what's what we think right now? What time it is? 9:40. All right. 10 minutes ago, what did I say? Price is gonna take 33. Not on the first leg. We know that. All right. That's a counter trend long for us. All right. But that's what we believe is gonna happen eventually before the price breaks the high. It's gonna break the low, and we know where it's going, right? We know. Well, we we think we know. All right. We think it's gonna go all the way to 20. That's 13 more points. And that's our objective for being short this 33, 40, 40, 41, right? This for being short here. Okay, so smart money decides to be vicious and take these little pivot highs. We're still we're still we're still bearish, and then we make a decision right here at 43 because a clean break of 43, price is gonna go to 48. So why are we going to let it ride 5 points against us? No, that's not gonna. No, we're not gonna. Never let a winner turn into a loser, right? So that's the plan. I'm gonna say it again. This 33, ladies and gentlemen, is a counter trend long for us, right? 33 is one of our supports, and we buy support if the action is a snake, like I've been telling you for 40 minutes, right? So this is a counter trend. No, Capi, I didn't take the counter trend long, man. I want to go with the main play. Terrific. You don't have to counter trend. A lot of people don't counter trend. They just go with the main strength trend. All right. Okay. So we're gonna be chop liver here. 33, 43, 43, 33, 33, 43. This 10 points, unless we have a massive chop, right, from the get-go today, and he never takes it until 2 p.m. when the FOMC minutes are released. Then we'll get the hell out of here, right? Okay, we're not gonna put up with that. And then tomorrow is another day. But let's see, right? So we believe, right, that later on, once the smart money decides to break, we believe that is 33D1 that's going to be taken, and it's going to give us an additional 13 points, right? We're going to go all the way to 20. That's what we believe. So, but we also know that 33, it's the low of the wave. It's right here. So we know that this 33 is not going to be taken easily. So, so if we think about this, if we think, right, because this is all thinking, if if we think that 33 is going to be taken, it's going to go there, where do you prefer to be short? On the rally above our initial entry short right here, the break of 37, when I told you this is it, it'll continue going, or you want to take the clean break of 33? Well, if you take the clean break of 33, you're taking a breakout. And this is one of the most aggressive, riskiest play because we're shorting the low. But if we know here at 37, 38, right, 39, that the odds are that the level that is going to be taken is 33, then isn't it much better to be sure right here from where I tell you 38, 30, 37, 38, and then just play it? We know the smart money is going to play with us. It's going to give us a hard time, right? Chop, chop here. Okay. Right now, retail traders, they have no idea what the hell is going to happen with 33. Neither do we, because in reality, nobody knows the future. We just have the odds. That's all. Okay. But if you are already sure from here, where I told you, right? And we're, yes, sure. There's a lot of traders that they want confirmation. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna short here 37, 38, 39 because I want confirmation. I want to see the price destroy 33, 34, right? 34, 35. I want to see it. Once it does it, then yeah, I know I'm gonna be short at a much lower level, but I prefer, right? I want confirmation. We don't want confirmation. We're going to take a shot right here, 37, 38, because that's why we have an edge. We believe that the future is in our hands, like it is 90% of the time, right? And that's why we grow some coconuts, take a shot when the price is going up, when there is a rally, and then we start salivating because we know what the odds says as to what the price is going to do. Boom. Breaking 33. Is that 30, Mistake? To the tick. All right, so we're up from 30 to 38, 37, 38. We're up 8 points, right? And we're not out of the woods. Is it going to go from 30, Mistake, to 20 in a straight line?
Most likely not.
Most likely not, but we've seen it. Sometimes it does.
NAS is +6.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, you're right. All right, so this is just the new trader, the novice, right, the beginner, you know, they did exactly what we told them to do. Hey, listen, short right here, 37, 38, short it. The price is gonna go to 20, so we're looking at an 18 point, and price breaks 33, it goes all the way to 30. They're locking. They're all in, all out. They already made how many points mistake from 38 to 30? That's right, 8 points, 7 points, 6 points. If they were a little bit late here, and they're all in, all out. They just made 5, 6, 7 points, and they're all out. You know,
Yeah.
they're all out, which is okay. I mean, I'm not saying that making 8 points in 8 minutes is bad. Of course, it's terrific. But you came here to Capital Trade Center to be an extraordinary trader, a total pro. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it ride. until the price invalidates our main play. We know that there is enough strength for the price to go all the way to 20, right? So we know that. We've seen it a million times. All right, so until this setup is invalidated, right, meaning the price all of a sudden bounces back up and then it takes all these little pivot highs, tests 43 and breaks it, then our job is to build back better, is to continue being sure until the setup is not invalidated. Number one. And number two, we'll remain sure and we're going to ride it all the way to 20. Number two, unless I tell you that's it. Right? Okay. All right. So either I tell you to get out or the market itself tell you to get out. How does the market gonna tell you to get out? It destroys 43. We know it's gonna go to 48. So that's number one reason that you're not gonna be sure main play anymore. Right? The market tells you. And the reason number two, I tell you. All right? Because I'm watching this action really close. Just because anytime the market is dynamic, it can change any second, and if I see that the future intention of the trend is to go back up all the way to the high of the wave 48, then I'll tell you, let's get the hell out of our main plate short, find support and ride it, because I saw something somewhere that told me that the market has decided not to go to 120. That's exactly what we're doing right now. All right. Okay. So, all right. So that's 29, right? And we are short the rally, right?
Yes.
We're short 37 and above. So from 37, from 38 to 29, that's 8 points. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So there's gonna be a little bit of support here, 26. All right, this 26 is not gonna easily be taken. All righty. Okay, 26 is not gonna be easily taken. So 26 is a destination. 26 is a destination. It's not gonna be easily taken. All right. We want to ride our main plate short 38 all the way to 20 for 18 points. We need to know, of course, uh, between 33 and 20 is there some levels that are gonna give the bears a little bit of a hard time, right? Well, yeah, 26. This one right here. Look at the bounce. All right, 26. I'll go to 28. All right, all right. But this is a destination. So depending on your position size, if you know that 26, 25, 26 is gonna stop it temporarily, then this is a strategy. You go ahead, you get out here 26, expect a continuation all the way back to 30, right? Build back better, establish a new position, and then be patient, expecting the price to eventually take it and go to target 1, 41.20. Listen, I don't have anything against being all in, all out. All right? All right, because that's just the personality of the trader. But you're here to be a superb trader, right? All right, so the one thing that I hear most of the time is Capi. I'm consistently profitable. I'm good. I'm a professional trader, and but I gotta tell you, man, I just don't let it ride. I get my thing and I get out, and then I see the prices going to more and more of me. But I just I hear it all the time. That's why we trade multiple contracts so that we can scale out, right? We we have always, most of the time, we have three targets, right? Target one, target two, and target three, all right? And when the market is dynamic, sometimes we catch a beautiful trend, and then where are we gonna get all out, right? Stop, break even, start trailing. Let the let the price take you out, right? You'll be surprised how you know you'll be surprised how good that feels when you ride a trend for almost the entirety of it. All right, so we are short here 38, right? That's the beginning of this move, isn't it? It's beautiful, right? And we are expecting this move to be all the way to 20, right? Well, it might go, it might not go. We don't know that. All right. Look at this strong bounce. We are in complete control. Did I tell you 26 is gonna stop it? Mistake. Isn't that what I said two minutes ago?
Yes, that's exactly what you said.
Look at it. 26 all the way back to 30, 31. That's 5 points, right? So we are in complete control. As long as you are in complete control of what you are doing, and as long as you are in complete and utmost control of what your system says the market is going to do, then you just have to grow some coconuts. That's it, and do your strategy. Period. All righty. So we are in complete control. Why? Because we know even before the price, right? Even before the price goes to our target one, we know which level is going to stop at 26. I told you, look at it. So you are looking at this right now, and you already knew it way before it happened. That, my friend, I refer to that as being in complete control. Exactly, Michael. That's the yeah, yeah. That's the wall.
Before 20.
Uh-huh. All right. But but in my humble opinion, it'll be taken. The reason 20 it's is target one is because we believe that there is enough strength to take it there. Guarantee, Misty? Can I guarantee the price is gonna go to 20?
No.
All righty, but when it does, then we're pretty good. That's why we scale out, and that's why we trade multiple contracts. All right, so Michael, we're paying real close attention to 26, right? We've known for half an hour that 26 is gonna stop it to go from 20, right?
Yep.
So we're paying attention to 26 now, right? Pretty close attention, okay? Because this could easily be um, a bullish setup, right? Bulls, they might see something here that they like, and they're willing to take it all the way to back to 33, 35. Okay, so we're watching that real close. Listen to me. There is a 50-50 chance. There is a 50-50 chance now. Okay, listen to this. You need to listen to this. All right, there is a 50-50 chance now that right that the price is gonna take 30, or is gonna take this hour 26, right? Okay, I'm telling you, this 26 now 25 is as strong as 30. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, right now we are in a 25. Listen to this, I'm telling you, we are in a 25, 25, 30, 5 point range that is a micro channel. This micro channel has the same odds of the price taking 30 as taking 25. It's the same odds. That means, what does that mean? That means that the bulls are getting stronger. If the bulls are getting stronger, then our 20 is getting farther away from being accomplished. Why? Because I just told you, right? This 5 point right here, this micro channel, right? It's has the same odds for the price taking 30, clean take of 30, continuation all the way to 33, 34, and taking here 25, and the price goes 5 more points to 20. All right, so what do we do then? Well, we hang in there, right? If it's the same odds, right, then we are doing a couple of things. Number one, when we see, right, a strong bounce, we tighten our leash, right, because we want to um, we want to capture as much as possible from our entry short 30 38, right? And now that we know, okay, this is exactly what we want to see. This is exactly what we want to see. All right, 24. Okay, 24, and right, tighten our leash. Okay, right, because let me see, because ladies and gentlemen, um, the bulls are coming to the rescue. I'm telling you. So, so listen to this. This is another thing that we want to know. If the bulls are coming to the rescue, right? If the bulls started coming to the rescue right here at 25, right? Okay, come on, baby, right? And okay, that's nice, right? 22, right?
Yep.
2 more points.
21.75.
Exactly. So if the if the bull started coming to the rescue here, 26, meaning 26 is beginning to be a strong support, but we know the target one is 20. Then 20 is what? Is support as well, isn't it?
Yes.
So if the bulls like it here, right? 26 support, then 20 is gonna be worth it to totally and completely consider taking a counter trend short, counter trend long. So in other words, I'm not expecting 20 to be taken easily. I'm expecting a bounce off of 20. And if there is going to be a bounce of 20 that is going to take the price all the way back to where? What do you think? If there is a bounce, all of you guys, well, hold on a second. You don't have to write anything because I want your full, complete, 100% focus. 99% is not going to cut it. I'm just going to tell you. If there's going to be a bounce here, right, then what do you think the bounce is going to take the price to? It's going to take it right here, all the way back to 25. Where else? No, 25, the first one, right? It's going to take it to 25, and then there's going to be some chop, 20, 25, 25, 20, 20, 20, 25, 25, 20, right? Remember, if there is a bounce off of 20, that doesn't mean that we are now in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend when I tell you we are in an uptrend. Right now, we are still, okay, in a downtrend, okay, in our downtrend. All right. So, being sure we are in a trade with the main play, but we counter trend where at levels that we think are strong enough to give us another chance to make a couple of bucks, right? As a counter trend, okay. But we must never make the mistake of thinking that a counter trend can be traded with the same tactics and the same strategies that we trade, a trade with the trend, the main play, right? All right. And yes, counter trends sometimes end up being the beginning of a beautiful new trend, right? Because the market never goes anywhere. The market goes up and down, the ebb and flow of the market, right? And the market is changing all the time. Just because we are in an official, confirmed downtrend, that doesn't mean that the market is not gonna ever find support ever again, and it's not gonna change to a bullish trend, right? It happens all the time. Our job is to find it. All right, so that's 21 quarter. That's just one one point above our target one. All right, remember target two. All right, remember target two, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're gonna ride it. We're gonna continue letting it ride. Okay, until target two and target three. So far, mistake, how many points we have so far? 17, right? All right, 17. That's pretty good, right? 17 points. That's not too shabby. All right, and it's only what? 10:09. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, alrighty then. So we had the price go all the way to 21, right? 21. Our target is 20. So remember what I told you. It's okay to get out a couple of points above, a couple of points below, right? I mean, if you make 17 points instead of 18, then I'm not gonna hold it against you, right? I'm okay with that. All righty, all right. So what's important is that the action continues, and remember what I told you. All righty, okay. All right. So our job is remember what I told you a little while ago. If I'm gonna say it again, we knew here, we knew here at 26 that the Bulls were um, started to come and fight stronger. So if at 26 the price is the Bulls are looking to really fight the Bears that much, then if 26 is an okay support, what do you think is 20? A terrific support. So now you can. I told you this. It's all recorded. And now you can tell, right? Now you can tell why I told you that. Hey, listen, if if we know that, if we have that information, right, and then what do? We need that information to be in complete control. And complete control means, all right, so I'm going to tighten my leash, right, my bear, because I know that beginning 26, the Bulls are going to bounce it. And then number two, I know that 41.20, it's target one. All right, so if 41.20 is target one, then it's totally looking forward to counter trend long
Cappy.
41.20, 21. Look at what happened. What's up, mistake?
I have a uppercut robot bull.
Okay, well, look at the bounce from 21 all the way to 28.
Yeah.
Right? No wonder you have that bullish signal right now. All right. So knowing all of this, knowing everything that is likely to happen between 33, 30, 26, and 20 gives you an amazing tool to much better manage both your positions. You're short, and then look at the counter trend. Yes, I know that you would have preferred to counter trend long the 20, and the price only went to 21. I know that, but you knew it that was likely to happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 20, isn't it, mistake?
Yes.
Right, target 120, that's plus 18 points. not only we just made 18 points, we've known every single step of the way what the market was going to do at certain levels, so that we know much better how to manage the position that we're holding, therefore making it more conducive for us to let it ride, which is what most good traders, profitable, consistently profitable traders, have a hard time doing. And the reason is simple: they have no clue as to where the price is going. If you don't know where the price is going, as soon as you get a couple of pennies, you're gonna get the hell out. You don't know if the price is gonna has enough strength to go to 20, right? If you don't know that, of course you're gonna get out as soon as the price goes to 26 and then it bounces. It's a bull trap. Remember when the price went to 26, right? And it went all the way to 34 points. It's a bull trap. All of the teenagers on YouTube, all of those teenagers and the girls that are, scamming everybody, all the new traders, making them believe that they're big shots, right? They went long. It's a bull trap, right? All right. All righty. So price goes to these little nice here. Okay. Okay. And remember what I told you, right? If we like 26 as support, then I don't want to say we love, we love, right? Because we don't. We don't love 18, 19, right? We don't love it. If we like 26 in terms of support, right here, remember when the price went to 26,
Yes.
we knew it, and the price went all the way to where is this? All right, so the price after we knew 26, then the price goes right. So 25 half, it goes all the way to 30 half, right? So it goes up 5 points. Right? If we like it here, 26, then we love it at 20. No, I wouldn't say we love it. All right, because we are still in a bearish trend, and we are on our way to target 2. All right, until when? Until I find a strong enough low, the temporary low of day or the low of day, and then we get out and then we buy it, we find support, and then we start going long. Until that happens, we're gonna remain short, and we're gonna ride it all the way to target 2, which I don't know target 2 yet, but we all know 4100, right? We all know. Like, are you kidding me? That's even the teenagers know 4100. All right, but that's not a one of our that's not one of our system support. It's just a psychological level. So our job now is to see what the price is gonna do between 20 and 100. What's gonna do and how it's gonna do it. That's our job now, so that we can milk as much as possible this entry short we had 38, right? We came here to trade, and we want to extract as many points as the market wants to give us. Remember the counter trend. Okay? Remember the counter trend long 2019. Okay? Look at that. It's a razor sharp entry. The counter trend long 20, price only goes to 1875. That's 5 ticks of hit for our counter trend long 20. And look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it go. What is this? 26? It's terrific, right? 6 points. Okay? 6 points for our counter trend long. Okay, alrighty. Remember, we're not um, we're not believing that this move up is a new trend. You know, we don't have enough information to know if this bounce, meaning if this rally in this downtrend is going to be a new uptrend. We don't know that yet. So we don't get out, we don't get all out of our current short position that we have short 38, that we've been shorting. The main play is still short, target one hit, accomplished, and we are now analyzing everything there is between 100 and 120 so that we can make a decision what target two is going to be. Guarantee that the price is going to go back to 18, 19, break it and continue going down to 100? Of course not. All right? And that's why we are long here, counter trend long 20. Because this rally could easily turn out to be the beginning of, indeed, yes, a new uptrend, change in direction right here. We don't know it yet. We'll know it, eventually. So, ladies and gentlemen, listen to this. The 4100, it's getting farther away. That's not gonna be happening anytime soon. All right, that's not gonna be happening anytime soon. So we have a temporary support 12. All right, so price just went to 19, 12 only. Alrighty, okay, so we're gonna be paying attention to that 12, number one, and we're really gonna be paying attention to this counter trend long that we are currently on right now. Remember, we are long the counter trend, and the strategy is, because by definition it's a counter trend, by definition it's a trade that is going against the main play, then we still take it. We don't let the smart money intimidate us, right? We don't get intimidated here. We know exactly what we're doing. All right? So we're sure. 38, 39, right here. We're sure. Main play, target one, target two, and target three. And we are also long counter trend our support. The reason 20 is target one is because it's support. So we have to get out. We have to lock 18 points right here at 20. Because 20 is support. We know it's support. And we know that the price is not going to take it. That's why it's a target. And if it is a target, and if we know it's not going to take it, and if we know that the odds are that it's going to bounce and it's going to go, and it's going to rally, right? Rally. Of course, we're going to go counter trend. However, we do it with a smaller position size. So we are short the ES, main play, and we are long the micros. Or if you're short the ES 10 contract, then you can be long also the ES, but with a smaller position. Because remember, we're going against the main trend. But the reason we're doing it is a couple of reasons. Reason number one, we know the strength of 20. And reason number two, is it possible that this is going to be so strong enough that this is going to be a new trend? Have you ever heard mistake? Have you ever heard of a bottom?
Yes.
No, okay. How about a top?
Yes.
Exactly. So there are tops and bottoms. All right. Okay. All right. So, and that's our specialty. We don't believe in that meet in the middle. I don't want to say what, right? That we don't believe in that meet in the middle mess. No. Catch the top and catch the bottom. All right. So that we have the best risk reward ratio. and uh, and therefore we can much better manage the position, and we can have more patience. And as long as we follow our strategies and tactics, then um, then we're gonna do pretty good. All right, all right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the people on YouTube. By the way, all of this information is being 100% exclusively, totally private for my traders. Right? I have traders that have been trading with me for 20 years. All right, and we just decided to put it on YouTube so that we can help more traders, more beginners, so that they can see something that they've never seen in their life. There's not one single fake guru out there that is going to trade minute to minute as is happening. There's no YouTube. All of those YouTube channels, all these people that have 300,000 followers, a million followers, not one single one of them reads the market minute to minute as it is happening. None of them. They can because their bluff is gonna be called. So we still have two more units, sure, and those are the. You don't have to counter trend, by the way. A lot of traders don't counter trend, and they are still consistently profitable. They just don't counter trend. They don't, they don't want to mess with it. I'm perfectly fine with that. Here, you're gonna do it. All right. Here you are gonna counter trend. All right, because you're here to be a superior trader. All right. Okay. So in other words, you're here, and here we're gonna take advantage of every single move. We're gonna take advantage of it. All right. We're not gonna get them all, but those that we're gonna get, you're gonna be really happy about it. All right. Baby step. Okay. All right. So let's see. All right. So I mean, it started as a tough day because of the FOMC minutes and all that jazz, and the politicians, corrupt politicians, doing their 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 stuff, what they do, right? And the ceiling and all of that stuff, as if we were stupid and we didn't know exactly what they're gonna do, right? Anyway, so so all right, so okay, right. So we still right. So we are on our way to target two, and let's see what's it gonna be. All right. So okay. So target one accomplished, and now tar- this 4112 is not target two. It's a temporary target two. Remember, the market is dynamic, it's changing all the time, right? And this is target two. So, in other words, we might make it target two, or we might only make it temporary. All right? We have to see. I need more information. I need more information between here 20 and 12 to make a decision as to whether we should get our second unit out at 12 or let it ride even more. Okay, so
You have a robot hangover bear.
uh-huh, that's what I'm talking about, mistake.
Yes.
Market is gonna continue giving us hints, right?
Yeah.
you know the smart money, they cannot hide their intentions. They just cannot hide it. So we're going to see what these people are up to. All right, they cannot hide it. They cannot hide their intentions. All right. Okay. Let's see. All right. So we have here. All right. Okay. So so far, 4100, of course, is target two, right? I mean, that's a psychological level that we are expecting reaction of it, right? So, of course, right? Okay. So if it takes all day, then we'll be there, right? As long as we don't have reasons to, as long as we don't have reasons to get all out, then we're going to remain bearish, okay? And 12 is like that 26. Remember, I'm expecting a reaction out of it. All right. So remember, any second, anything can happen. All right. Okay. So no shenanigans for us. Stop, break even, let it ride. We accomplished target one, and we are on our way to a temporary target two, which is 41.12. So everything I told you, right? Write it down because that's what's going to make you totally different from the regular, retail trader over there. Remember, you're here to be a superior trader. Alrighty. Okay. So now that we have that information, then, ladies and gentlemen, let's ride. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you now. By the way, I'm gonna give you target three already. Okay, so and if it changes, then I'll change it. All right, but what time it is right now? Okay, it is what time it is? 11:06, and I'm going to give you target three. All right, target three, my friends, is 40.90. You like that? How do you like them bananas? That's target three. For those of you who like trading more than playing golf, and you want to stay trading, and or, unless you have a babysitter to to handle your position, I am expecting a continuation today all the way to 40.90. If it doesn't happen today before the market close, if we don't get it today, I'm expecting to get it overnight. All right. Of course, we all know that any second we can have a new read, right? But as of 11:07 right now, that's what I'm expecting. Okay. So if we don't have a new read, our job is to let it ride all the way, our position, right? Our original position, 41.38, all the way to 40.90. So we are after 48 points today. All right. So So we want to know if this move up, right? This bounce. Is it a rally in a downtrend, or is it actually a trend, a change in trend? That's what we want to know, right? Well, it goes to our, remember, support become resistance, resistance becomes support. It goes to our resistance 35. Then, as far as we are concerned, no, this is it's just that it is still a rally in a downtrend. Okay, so we are still expecting a, let's see. Well, of course, the odds are a lot smaller, of course, but we are expecting now chop here 20, 35, 35, 20, 20, 35. That's what we're expecting now. All right, so it's a strong, but it did not gave us a change in trend. We're gonna measure it. All right, we're gonna measure it, but it's not the main uh, trend in my humble opinion. All right, it's not. Okay, it looks strong. There's no question about it. All right, but I don't think so. Okay. All right then. Okay. Time right now is 11:30, and okay. So now we are in a like I said, 20, 35, and then expecting still the price to continue going down and and go to 41.12. Yeah, it's a long shot, but that's what's that's what's in the cards. All right, for now. Time right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's 11:33. We know exactly what's going on. All right, so this is what we have right here. Give me 1 second. All right, so here we go. As long as the price is below 40, right? Our 38, initial short 38, and 40 is a 2 point range. All right, as long as the price is below 38.40, this 2 point range right here, we believe the market is gonna continue going down and all the way to 41.12, right? And then of course we have to see we have to see every single. Look at this. Look at that beautiful, right? As I'm telling you that we are definitely still in a this. In other words, this break of that up temporary uptrend there was nothing but a squeeze, a bull trap squeeze of the bears. All right, we're on our way to 12, just like we've been expecting, just like we've been expecting for the last 45 minutes. But we all know that the smart money, before they go to our 41.12, they need to take the stops of all the teenagers, right? And that's exactly what it did, right? So we never change hats. We stay with our short position. It's not gonna be easy taking this 17, but that's what we expect to continue happening. Time right now it's 11:44, and remember that the FOMC minutes in a couple of hours. So the action now begins the price begins to move erratically, right? So watch out, pretty much, right? As long as the price doesn't take 40, we are expecting a continuation down to 12 and, right? And 100. So um, we are looking to make from our initial short, right, 38, which there's no reason for us to get all out. We are expecting a continuation. We already made 17, right? 17, 27, 37. We just made 21 points. Well, we want to make 40 points all the way to 4100. And remember, 12 is a temporary target too. The real target is 4100. Okay, actually, it's not 4100. Hold on a second. Let me. Okay, there is a new information. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the official shot begun, and odds are same. Okay, so we're gonna be on a 4112, 4140. All right, and then a lot of shenanigans over here. That's pretty much what we have, right? We all know that after 11:30, the all we have left to do is let it ride, stop break even, start trading. Okay, until there is no reason to change directions completely, which we don't have yet, then we remain bearish. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna take advantage of the volatility that the announcement brought, right? So we had a rally all the way to our major resistance area. It gives us an opportunity to take another short, right here, 40, 42, right? Look at this. And then 42 all the way to 24, right? 24, 34, 44. That's almost 20 points, ladies and gentlemen. And this is basically the way this is done, right? Sure, uh, we wanted target 2, 12. Price goes all the way to 14. So we were shy 2 points to achieve our target 2. And we patiently wait for 3 p.m. when the volatility begins. We know that we don't want to take any action between 11:30 and 3. We take advantage again of this rally, and then we get 20 extra points. So we made 20 points, 20 points, 8 points, 10 points. Pretty good day, right? And we never got to reach target 2 because remember, it's the management. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the way the cookie crumbles, right? Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. Now, live, what does that mean? Well, if it's not live as it's happening, then it's not real. All right.